We'll taxi full length, 25
1219
right,
at
line
Alpha
up and wait,
Alpha, hold
American
short, runway
862.
24 left.
Alpha Alpha, hold short, 24 left, Delta 190.
American 862, just confirm it was line up and wait 25 right.
American 862, affirmative. In that traffic, no factor.
Thank you, line up wait 25 right, American 862.
Our tower, good evening, Hana, South Country, intercept localizer 24 right.
Hainan 773 Heavy LA target evening, 4 miles and 12 Airbus 321, wind 220 at 13, runway 24 right, clear to land.
24 right, clear to land, Hana, South Country.
Delta 725 LHR cautionary turbulence heavy 76, 1 mile final, wind 220 at 13, runway 24 right, clear to land.
24 right, clear to land, Delta 725.
Delta 1219 at Alpha Alpha cross, runway 24 left, and turn left into Echo, contact ground point 75.
At Alpha Alpha cross 24 left, left contact 0.75, Delta 190.
Affirmative, combined up. Virgin 682 Heavy, connect SoCal departure, good day.
Departures